When can I apply for a Chapter 13 hardship discharge? If you are facing financial challenges, you might be wondering about the possibility of a hardship discharge in Chapter 13 bankruptcy. This option can provide relief when circumstances change unexpectedly. So, when can you actually apply for it? You can seek a hardship discharge if you experience a significant and unforeseen change in your financial situation that makes it impossible to complete your repayment plan. This discharge can be requested before you finish all payments, but there are specific legal requirements to meet, and court approval is necessary. First, the hardship must be serious, permanent, and beyond your control. This means that the change in your circumstances cannot be your fault and must be substantial enough to prevent you from completing the plan. For example, a life-altering medical condition or the death of a spouse that drastically reduces your household income could qualify. However, temporary job loss or a short-term income reduction usually does not meet this requirement. Next, you must have completed payments to your unsecured creditors. This means you need to have paid these creditors at least as much as they would have received if you had filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy instead of Chapter 13. This is an important step in the process. Another key point is that you must show that converting your case to Chapter 7 bankruptcy is not a viable option. This can happen if you have already received a Chapter 7 discharge within the last 8 years or if other legal restrictions apply. Additionally, only certain types of debts qualify for a hardship discharge. Secured debts, like car loans or mortgages, priority debts such as child support or alimony, and non-dischargeable debts like most student loans are generally excluded from this process. To apply for a hardship discharge, you will need to file a motion with the bankruptcy court. The trustee and judge will review your case to determine if you meet the criteria. If your application is approved, you will receive a discharge that releases you from the remaining eligible debts without having to complete the full repayment plan. In summary, you can apply for a Chapter 13 hardship discharge when you face a serious and permanent financial hardship after filing, you have paid your unsecured creditors what they would receive under Chapter 7, you cannot convert to Chapter 7, and your debts qualify for this discharge. This option can provide much-needed relief when continuing payments under your original Chapter 13 plan is no longer possible.